With advancement in technology, the assistants are becoming faster and faster and more advanced. Since Google Assistant was launched till date, it has become capable of doing a lot of tasks. Google Lens is one such part of Google found in Google Photos. It allows us to get more information about mostly anything which we can place in front of it. In front of the lens of phone, obviously. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys some of the tips and tricks about Google Lenses and how you can enable it in your mobile phone. My name is Anagh, and let's get started. So first trick that we have on our list is that you can scan a QR code using Google Lens by just taking a snap, open it in the Google Photos. After that, hit that lens icon at the bottom, and then a super duper transition will appear. It will show you all the information that the QR code has in itself. Really an amazing feature because you don't need any other application. Second trick that we have on the list is that you can recognize all the text that you get on your screen, on a screenshot or any other snap that you have. For example, you got a screenshot from Instagram. Now if you want that text from that page, instead of writing it, you can use the Google Lens feature for the text recognition. Just go open it in the Google Lens, hit that lens icon, directly from the text will be appearing, and then you can copy and paste it anywhere. Also, if you have some screenshots having any of the links in it, it will automatically recognize it and you can directly get access to the website using that links. Extremely useful trick, I may say that. Okay, so next trick, that is the third trick, is somewhat too useful and can come handy in a day-to-day life. So if you are stuck somewhere and you don't know the exact location or the place, you can just take your phone out of your pocket, take a snap of the landmark there, and Google Lens will tell you all the information that it knows about that place. This is applicable to all the hospitals, monuments, cafes, restaurants and shops too. I really love this thing because it completely shows exact location of many of the restaurants and shops which are popular. Now if you have a card of someone having all the information of that person, like name, address, email ID and lots other stuff, and you don't want to feed it in your phone by just looking at it and writing just like a lazy person that I am. So just take pic of that card, open it in Google Photos, hit that Google Lens icon, ting! Google Lens will automatically recognize the necessary details in the card, and then you can directly save it into your mobile phone. Amazing feature again, which I use in almost everyday life for saving in phone cards, phone numbers and a lot of other stuff. So our last trick on our list is something really useful. So if you're around something that you don't know definitely, like fruits, flowers, books, etc., you can definitely take a pic and open it in Google Lens. Yeah, you can definitely get some of the info of that thing. For example, flower, it will definitely give you the complete name and everything about that flower if your picture is good and has a good clarity in it. Books is completely good because I tried it a lot of times, and when I took a snap of any book and just open it in Google Lens, it gives me complete summary, the author and lot of the stuff like that. So if you are stuck around something, use the Google Lens, absolutely. But please don't blame me if sometimes Google Lens don't provide you info, because Google Lens is going through a lot of testing stages, so sometimes it can too go wrong, just like we. Just open up the Play Store, type in Google Photos, download that app if you haven't, or update it if it's showing for an update. Now after that, download a VPN of your choice from the Google Play Store. That is absolutely free, or take a trial, and after that in VPN go and change the location to United States, and after that you can uninstall it and no problem will occur to Google Lens. Now you will go to Google Photos, and there you can see the Google Lens option enabled automatically. This video guys, if you did enjoy and consider it informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and press that notification bell icon to get updates for all my future videos. My name is Anagh. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.